Alright guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Fash is here. So in this tutorial we are going to take a look at what is known as lists. So like I said, all these tags you really need to understand them so that when you're coding it's going to be very easy for you. So what are lists? So let's just dive in. Alright, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to start from a new line. I'm going to say I want to list a type of probably technology that you need to understand if you want to become a front-end developer. So if you want to type list, just type UL. Like I said, Emmet is there trying to spy into the codes that I want to, the tags that I want to make use of. So when I say UL, it's going to say, okay, fine, you said UL, what are the list of things that you want to put into this inside of me? So this UL means unordered list, that it's just the list that's going to show our list in bullets, just like the way you list some things in numbers, bullets, or whatever. So I'm going to say li. So li is the list of stuff. So I'll say html. Let's say you want to understand html, css. Let me say another l. So when I say another l, is going to suggest li is going to suggest for you, just hit on enter. I'll say css. So when you say css and I say li again, sorry, I don't know why I'm pressing caps locks. I'm going to say Java scripts. All right, so let's take a look. I'm saving it right now. I want to see how exactly this is going to look like. And see, this give me these stuffs in bullets. So imagine if I want to probably put some other thing inside. We call it nested list. So nested list means you are putting another UL inside this single list. So you can do that by saying, all right, let me say another UL is residing there and you want to have another list. I will say JavaScript library. I want to edit this and framework. So I can easily say from here, I can easily say, let me scroll down. You can see that this li, under it we also have another UL, so we can have a nested list. So okay, let me just say inside this UL, I will say, hey buddy, I want to have Angular, I want to have views, I want to have React, I want to have React. So by the time you save it, let's check it out. You can see this thing has another list under it. So this is pretty awesome. So this list for you. So but there are another categories of lists. You're going to be needing these a lot. So just focus on how it works like that. There's another list I would like to introduce to you, and that one is called OL. So imagine if I just if I just change these things to OL, I mean O for orange. So the moment I change it, you can see at the bottom it changed by itself. That is, you can change it if it's not changing. You can change it if it's not changing. So you can see this thing is ordered because it starts from 1 to 3. So but when I change UL, you can see the one at the next head is still UL. So that's why it is not actually changing. Alright, so basically this is what list is all about, and I'm so glad that you are getting it right now. I'm having the feeling that you're understanding this right now. So now you understand the concept of headings, you understand the concept of paragraph, you understand the concept of span, you understand two types of elements that it can be blocked, it can be inline, and you also understand how to think of list in what HTML. So what are we going to take a look at in the next tutorial? Let's check it out. So we're going to take a look at links. So, and link is one of the most important things you need to really understand in HTML, in building website, because you'll be linking pages together. So that is that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're going to start working on our list tag. And until then, happy coding.